Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for coming and checking out FatGuyBuilds once again. We're working on my Mustang. This is the Mishimoto Overflow expansion tank, radiator reservoir, whatever you feel like calling it. There's a part number. So let's get to this install. This is what you get in the box. You get your tank, some hose clamps, and a piece of hose. Make sure your car is not hot. If your car is hot, don't do this. No touchy when hot, see? Alright, once it's cold, remove the cap. Remove this hose clamp and this hose clamp and pull these hoses off of the reservoir. Use a 10mm and remove these two bolts. Lift up on the reservoir and you'll find this hose with this clamp. Go ahead and remove the clamp and pull this hose off. Try to catch the fluid with something. Remove the clamps from the three hoses since we have the new ones now. Put the bottom hose back on to the reservoir now, the new one, and put the clamp on and tighten that up. There's a little dicky-doo down there that slides into the factory gap and that locks the bottom in. Then tilt this forward and put the new black hardware in. Put the new hose clamps on these two small hoses, slip them on, tighten up the clamps. Now grab this new dripper hose, I guess you want to call it. You're going to slide this down in there. Okay. Anyways, we're going to slide it down there. And then this just slides over here. And that's just to redirect it if it overflows, so it doesn't just spray it straight on the motor. You're going to want to fill it up with the correct antifreeze. So here's the Motorcraft orange. And then you're going to fill it in the center of max and min. Then you're going to run the car till it gets hot. Let it cool all the way off. And then see if you need to add some. And just do that as many times as it takes. Once you clean it up, you're all done. And I think it looks sharp. I'd like to thank everyone for checking this out. You can find this on Mishimoto.com. And until next time, wrench on.